show you how to use a rowing machine super quick. Hopefully you can hear me decently. Sorry about the background noise. I didn't bring my mic, so it's just the phone mic, but you do what you can. I'm going to show you how to use this thing really quick. It's super simple. Usually when you see the rowing machine like this, it's actually propped up, so you can kind of tip it backwards. And then from here, you can kind of roll it around wherever you need to. And I'll show you how to stow it in a second, but basically you're going to lower this down, and then the seat moves like this. Super simple. All you're going to do is get down into the chair. If you can't get down, if you have like mobility issues, you can get a kind of a taller chair to get down. And you're going to put your feet in this position like so. And then basically the strap is going to be kind of across the arch of your foot. I have it a little bit higher than the arch of my foot because the ball of your foot is where you get a lot of your pressure. So it's just basically kind of over the ball of my foot, a little bit above that arch, okay? You're going to strap yourself in, simply pulling those straps up. Sometimes different straps are kind of not done right, so you'll have to kind of play around, but if it's put in properly, it will be just pulling them straight up so you're locked into place. From there, all you do is grab the handle. Usually this setting over here, this is called the damper setting. So basically, high, low, the higher it is, the easier it's going to be on the pull. So it's going to feel easier, but you're going to pull less calories and less rowing. If you have it all the way down at 1, it's going to be much harder to pull. It's going to feel like an actual row, like a legit row with a weight, but you'll be able to pull farther. So I usually do between 6 and 7. That's kind of a good general place to start for most people. And then you can flip up the monitor here. Don't really worry too much about anything when you're first starting. You know, you can do different rowing, but just get on the technique. So you're gonna grab this guy. And then I always tell people think about doing legs, arms, legs. So if you think about it, my back is like this, legs, arms, legs. Legs, arms, legs. Legs, arms, legs. So a lot of times people will kind of mess this up by doing just straight legs and then just bending back like this. They might do like one of these where they kind of go over their legs. But really, you're trying to keep that pull in a straight line the whole time. So you're trying to clear around your legs. That's why you extend your legs first. This thing simply goes down in here like that. You're going to push out of this, get off, boom, roll this up. Make sure you flip this forward, and then to get this back up into place, work this down. You just tip it up, super simple, and then there, gently, going, and boom, easy as